What could you possibly make with a beach scrapbook kit if you live far from the ocean? How about capturing some cherished memories of a lovely grandma preparing tamales? Hello everyone, it's Miss Carrie. In today's session, I'll share another simple scrapbook layout and demonstrate how I blended items from a Seaside themed kit with vibrant fiesta acrylics to create this fantastic design. On my desk, I have the Limoncello Sorbet Limitless kit from Not Just for Boys Kit Club. This kit includes a wide arrangement of patterns and prints from Simple Stories, 49 in Market, American Crafts, Pebbles, and Pinkfresh. The kit also has an adorable Simple Stories 12 by 12 sticker sheet, Thickers letter stickers, Fun in the Sun puffy phrase stickers, and Pinkfresh journaling bits. There are also 2 distress crayons in tumbled glass and fossilized amber. On today's layout, I'll be using this adorable Fiesta collection. This is available for a limited time in the Not Just for Boys shop, and it's perfect for family memories. As always, I encourage you to use what you have in your own collection, but if you would like to recreate this layout, I've added links to the supplies I used in the description below. For the background, I'm using the 49 in Market Kaleidoscope pattern. This soft green pairs beautifully with the American Crafts and Pinkfresh patterns in the kit. I have cut these to about 4 inches wide. Initially, I laid these in the center of the page, but I decided to bring in this floral sticker border. So I'm moving the pieces over about 3/4 of an inch so that I have the same amount of the background on either side. I like how bright this border is. The background color matches the green hues that I have on the page, and the pink and yellow are perfect for my page design. These photos were taken by my friend on the day her grandmother was teaching the family how to make tamales. I was invited to go, but I was ill that day and I missed out on all the fun. I'm going to back these photos of Grandma with a wood grain pebbles pattern. This has some soft blue-green hues and a tan color that will make these photos the focus of the page. On the right side of my layout, I'm going to lay 3 square photos. These are each cut at about 2.5 inches. Behind the main photo, I want to bring in some decorative circles. I cut these using some dies in my own collection. I don't know how well you can see this, but I layered 3 die cuts together to make these thicker and bring a little dimension to the page. I'm going to leave these white, but you could add color to them with distress crayons. The 2 crayons could also be used to add color to that floral print that I used in the background. That would really elevate this page. While these dry, I'm going to adhere the photos to the page with foam tape. My friend took multiple photos that day so that she could remember the tamale making process. According to her grandma, tamales are too hard to make, so it's much easier to buy them. Hopefully my friend can remember how to make them and share the process with me. Maybe I'll enjoy making tamales and make more in the future, or maybe I'll agree with Grandma and just go back to buying my trunk tamales. Behind these square photos, I'm going to bring in these acrylic banners. Now, I've always heard these referred to as papels, but I recently learned that the official name is papel picado, which translates to punched paper. The Fiesta acrylic shapes are great for just about any of your family memories or vacation photos. I thought they would also be great embellishments for recording memories of our Epcot trip, but I couldn't locate those photos. To bring some more of the red color to the page, I'm going to add a product strip above the photos, and then I'm going to adhere this in place with some foam tape. Below the photo, I want to add a title and something for journaling. So I've grabbed that package of Pinkfresh journaling bits. I like the florals on this pocket, but it's a little too big for the space. So I think I'm going to use this one instead. This little envelope seals shut, and it would be great for a recipe or some special memories of tamale making day. For the title, I'm going to use What It's All About, because making memories like this with your family is what life's all about. Off camera, I adhered those in place, and now I'm going to bring in some florals and the wooden elements from the Fiesta collection. These MDF pieces can be painted or shaded with ink, but I like them the way they are. I've layered one set at the top with some floral stickers, and I'm putting one here into the base of the page. I'm also going to bring in a few phrases from the sticker sheet. The one near the lower part of the page says, "Enjoy every moment." And I'm going to add another one up here that says, "Such a wonderful time." I'm going to add a little twine to the banners over here, and then I'll share this finished layout. Here is the completed page with those adorable photos of Grandma making tamales. Off camera, I wove some twine through the photos and added some loops of twine near the main photos over here. I also sprinkled a few little acrylic dots to bring some more of that rose color to the page. This layout was designed to capture a special memory, which was beautifully brought to life using a Seaside summer kit from Not Just for Boys Kit Club. The Fiesta acrylics added a unique touch to narrate the tale, and the pocket serves as an ideal spot for preserving Grandma's tamale making secrets. With its simple design, I hope it inspired you to document some of your own family memories. If you're one who likes to pin photos to inspiration boards, I've added still shots of this layout to the Not Just for Boys Kit Club blog and to my website for you to use. If you would like more ideas for using the limoncello sorbet kit, you can join the Not Just for Boys Facebook group to see even more designs. I want to thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions about this project or the supplies I used, feel free to leave that in the comments below. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I can't wait to see what you create.